Imagine the most sophisticated area in Africa having the highest potential. I am Chinonye Okonkwo, one of the first internationally certified female welders in Nigeria, trained by Samsung Heavy Industries. To me, working on the world's largest FPSO means showing the world the true potential of the Nigerian workforce. People said that this wasn't something for a woman, but I enjoy a beauty in creating something for yourself. Just like me, thousands of Nigerians received world-class training to become skilled engineering workforce. It shows that investing in a local workforce can impact not just a business or individuals, but an entire country. I now realize that the biggest hurdle we need to overcome are the limits in our own minds.